Today is Tuesday. This is our game day. Samahan nyo ako. Tara.
Bumili lang tayong burger para may lakas tayo.
Kain muna tayo. And syempre, bago magsimula ang lahat, kailangan muna natin mag-pray at magpasalamat and always be grateful. So yun guys, nakapag-fuel na tayo. Sana makashoot tayo. Thank you Lord. Tapos na tayo makapag-fuel and maghahanda na tayo para sa ating laban. And syempre, mag-i-stretching muna tayo, konting papawis, ganun para masigla tayo. Matatapos na yung game na to, tapos next na kami. Good luck! Ayan, warm up tayo with the team. And papawis muna tayo and hoping na maging maganda yung laban. Diyan, nagsimula na yung laban. Rebound, tapos assist. Siyempre, kailangan natin trumabaho. Itong part na to, ito yung crucial free throw. And nag-pray ako niyan before ako mag-shooting or before ako mag-free throw na sana ma-shoot. And yun, na-shoot. Second try, pasok pa rin. After nyan, kumuha kami ng timeout and gawa kami ng play. Ayan, nakapag-crucial footback tayo. Final quarter, 3.1 seconds, and here's what happened. That was a good game. We're home, but unfortunately, natalo tayo. We are grateful pa rin kasi walang na-disgrasya sa amin, syempre. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And always remember, everything happens has a purpose. God bless.